This is going to be all signs collective, so almost personal reading. So what you guys can possibly expect in your connection, in your relationship. You should be having a person. This is not for single people. So yeah. Let's start. All that you need to know about your soulmate. I'm not taking any reversals. It's going to be straight off. Okay. If a card falls off reversal, then yeah, you could take it. Okay. So yeah, let's see what your person is up to. How are they thinking about you? What are they thinking about you? What are they wanting to do about you? Their feelings, intentions, action, and possible action for the next 3 days. Okay. So yeah. Right now we have Four of Swords. So right now there could be some stagnation that's going on. Okay, with the Hermit card, you guys are trying to see if this person has walked away from your life, or are they walking away from your life. Okay, recently I feel that your person, first selected few of you, could have tried to reach out, but they disappeared again. They kind of ghosted you again. Okay, some of you are getting very tired of the on and off games, and some of you are wishing to remove yourself from this connection, from this situation. Okay, so let's start. All that you need to know about your soulmate moving forward. So one card for how are they thinking about you now. All signs collective, almost positive spirit. Please help all those who are going to be watching this video get some guidance in terms of their relationship and their connection, spiritual connection, soulmate connection. So yeah, let's start. One card for how they're thinking about you currently. Okay. So right now your person is trying to run away. Okay, they are hiding things from you, they are lying to you. If in the past they try to reach out to you, I see this person not telling you the entire truth. They've been hiding things from you. Okay, and some of you have a basic idea as what are they hiding from you. Okay, Seven of Swords is a card where someone is not wanting to reveal their true self, not wanting to reveal what is going on in their life, not wanting to reveal what they've been up to. Okay, bottom card we have is Ace of Swords in the reverse, which tells me that there is a possibility that if your person reached out in the past, they haven't told you the entire truth. They've been kind of, I would say, manipulating you into believing what they were trying to say. Okay, so yes, top card we have is Nine of Cups. So it is that you do make them happy, but right now they are trying to be very selfish. They are trying to think what's best for them and not what's best for the connection. So with Seven of Swords, they are trying to run away so that they find that peace of mind, and they're not really wanting to get stressed out, or not wanting to degrade themselves, or not wanting to basically get any burdens from this connection. Okay, when I say degrade, I do not mean that in the negative way. They are not wanting to go through the process. Okay, top card we have is King of Pentacles. So they are very much entirely focused on themselves. Okay, this is a clarifier that I've got. A King of Pentacles, very very focused on themselves, heavily focused on material wealth. Finances. Whatever that they think is good, all that blings and all that shines. Okay, so yeah, I do feel like your person is entirely focused on their finances and their material wealth. Okay, top card we have is the Devil card. Addiction sometimes could also be self obsession, where someone is wanting to be very very successful at any cost given, and if they feel that you sabotage their growth, or you get in the way, or thinking about you gets them off track, then they will want to run away from you. Trust me on that. Okay, bottom card we have is Three of Wands. So in the past they could have tried to reach out, or they were waiting on you to reach out, but currently at the very current moment I feel like they are running away. Okay, so what are they up to? One card for what are they up to. With Nine of Wands, they are wanting to keep themselves closed off. They are not wanting to get hurt. Okay, they are not really open to connections or relationships that are not really having a very solid outcome coming from it. Okay, they are not wanting to go through the process. With eight of cups in the past, let's, like when I say past, I mean the past week. Okay, not like past 5 6 months. I'm talking about recent past. Okay, so I do feel like recently they came towards you but they walked away as well. Right now we have nine of wands, but top card we have is eight of wands. So there is a possible chance that within the next 3 days you guys could get some communication. Okay, so in terms of their intentions, what are their intentions towards you now? What are their intentions towards you? But trust me when I tell you, they are very closed off. So even if they approach you, I don't see you getting anything from them, to be very honest. Like, it could just be communication, like very casual communication. And they are not like even wanting to reveal themselves much, like tell you much what's happening with them or what they are wanting with you. Nothing. Okay, currently we have six of cups as their intention, so they are not entirely wanting to lose you. Okay, they still want you in their life. Okay, they are not walking away from you, they are staying away from you. You got to understand that. In the past with seven of pentacles, they came but they haven't invested. They came back. If they came back, they try to see the situation, they try to possibly evaluate the situation, but they did not do much to fix it in any which way. Okay, with the top card with queen of wands, in the coming days, however, I see them taking action. But when I say taking action, taking a step forward, I do not mean coming and committing to, they'll have to go through a process. When someone is completely like dodging you and staying away from you, you can't expect them to come towards you like within a day or two and like directly give you a commitment. You have to possibly go through the process again, few months, ups and downs. Sometimes I read readings where they have these titles where they say a person wanting to get married to you. I see no sense in that. There it's a way of attracting views, but you can't conclude a general reading as to your person is coming back. There are thousands of people who are going to be watching these readings, and you don't want to give a person false hope. From what I see a person approaching you, but I can never give you guarantee that your person is going to come back for commitment. Okay, so yes, in terms of their feelings towards you, how do they feel about you currently? How do they truly feel about you? Again, I see confusion here. I'm not getting a proper card. That's confusion. Usually, when I do not get a card, it's usually confusion. Your person does not know what exactly they feel for you. There is a lot of confusion in the air here. So yes, they are going through a transformation. I see a person approaching you, but it is not to stay. But yes, they will make a move. Okay, right now they are going through a lot of transformation. Death and Knight of Wands. So after going through an ending with you, they're going to come back. But Knight of Wands is not a card to stay, darling. Okay. Bottom card we have Eight of Pentacles. So they are trying to keep themselves busy so that they do not think of you, or they do not really obsess about you in some which way. But the top card we have is Three of Wands. They will definitely look forward. Right now they are defensive, but they are also stalking you. Okay, in some which way I still see them stalking. So it doesn't make sense of staying away, trying to stay busy, trying to not really let your thoughts consume them. But I still see them wanting you. Okay, they are not in any which way wanting to quit on you, but they are trying to stay away for their own sake. Okay, so yes, I'll give you one more card as to what do they truly have for you now. Drop the cards. We have Two of Wands, we have Five of Pentacles. So currently they are very much missing you, In the past with 10 of Pentacles, there could have been a time where they could have Knight of Pentacles in the reverse. So they've been sabotaging the connection themselves. It is not your fault, it's totally their fault. They have been very confused as to what they wanted with you. And as soon as they felt like they could have been no commitment, or there could have been no solid conclusion coming out of it, or no possible outcome coming from it, they tried to run away. Okay, right now I see, to be very honest, I see them running away. Okay, staying away. I won't say that they're quitting on you or they are wanting to walk away completely. No. Okay, we'll try to see the blockages as well. So what do they truly have for you currently? Okay, we have a card with Hanged Man. They do love you, but they're not going to take any sort of action towards it. It's like having feelings but not acting on those feelings. So they'll rather sabotage the connection, and they'll basically stay strangled. Stay away but stay in their feelings. It makes no sense, but yeah. In the past, they could have tried to friend zone you, but that did not work. You did not entertain them, and they had to go away. But right now, I see them approaching you. Okay, I'm not going to say that they're going to offer you commitment, nothing, but yes, they're going to approach you for the next 3 days. I see for many of you getting communication. Okay, short communication, not like something to be very excited about. No, short communication, but yes, communication is definitely coming in. Okay, so what's been the blockage? What's really sabotaging the connection or holding you guys back? What's the main blockage? With Knight of Swords, what's been the blockage? They were never really wanting to stay. They have always been like a coming and going kind of a person who never really tried to stay, or never really tried to have any sort of stability with you. Okay, they were always wanting to rush in and rush out, and that's always been a problem. They were never really wanting to stay. In the past, there came a time where they thought of commitment, but they never acted on it. Okay, another card we have here is Six of Pentacles. So they've been literally breadcrumbing you, not giving you much. It's like a player energy where someone is not willing to give much, but the person is wanting to have the sense that they have someone, or that validation that yes, there is someone who loves me back, that kind of a situation. But I do feel the main problem has been that they were not completely looking forward for a strong, stable relationship. They've always been a coming and going kind of a person, and that's always been a problem. Give me one more card as to what else is blocking the connection or holding the connection back. For some of you, this person could be very quick-tongued, someone who is very sharp, and that always got in the way. Unnecessary temper. Okay, with Princess of Wands, there also could be lack of communication that also got in the way. This person left you out in the cold time and time again. Okay, so I do feel that there were many factors that got in the way. For some of you, it could also be that your person only came to you when they felt the need to, and most of the times they just ignored you. Five of Pentacles. Okay, so yes, with the High Priestess, this person never really told you what they were up to. They gave you no solid idea as to what they wanted with you, and that always confused you, and you were not sure what this connection was up for. Okay, with Ace of Cups, the love was there, but with the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse, it always felt like it will have something missing. Something will always get in the way, and things will always come in the way, such that the connection doesn't move forward. Okay, there was no luck for this connection to move forward. Every time something always came in the way, and things broke off. Okay, so yes, for some of you, this person might be karmic. This person only came to your life for teaching you certain lessons in life. Okay, not all are going to want to believe that, but those who are spiritually aligned, and those who are spiritually mature, they are going to understand this. Okay, so one card for where this connection is moving forward. Okay, so we have Ace of Swords in the reverse, Three of Cups, and the Justice. For some of you, I do feel like even if there is no solid like communication, you guys will meet. Okay, there will be some sort of communication. But the problem is, I feel like you're gonna cut them off, or you're not gonna accept them. Okay, you're gonna mainly stay focused on yourself. Okay, Justice card is a card where someone is looking forward for a reshot, but I don't see, given the situation and what they are offering you, you're going to accept them and going to move forward with this. I still feel like there will be communication, but it is going to be short communication. I do not see it going long term. Okay, so what are they wanting from you currently? What are they like possibly wanting from you? With Eight of Pentacles, right now they want to stay focused on them. They are not really looking forward for a strong relationship. They rather want companionship, where they want to have a person, but they're not really looking forward for a commitment. You need to understand that, okay? So yes, I still see that that going on for a while. Okay, with Ten of Wands, they are going to possibly give you excuse as to they have a lot to deal with now in terms of their workload. Whatever has been they have to do in their life. Maybe if they are a single parent, if they have certain responsibilities, they're going to tell you that those are getting in the way. But I still see them maintaining the connection, but not really doing much about commitment. Okay, so yes, so in terms of that, we have Four of Swords. So I do not see you accepting them for the next 3 days. Okay, so let's see. I'm still unsure about this is one message. Okay, yes, I admit I can't express my feelings. Please don't. Okay, I have a lot of respect for you. I am grateful for you. Okay, that's the last message. So yeah, so just like I told you, my responsibilities don't let me be a part of you. So this is your reading. Okay, so this is almost personal reading for all signs included, collective. So this may or may not resonate, but if it does, please do hit the like button, because that's like a like thumbs up for me, like yes, this reading resonated. So please do let me know if it has. If it didn't, it wasn't your reading. Okay, for all those who are looking forward for a personal reading, you could reach out to me on my email, or just go to my website, choose one, reach out on my WhatsApp. I have given my number as well. Just message, do not call. And you could reach out on my Instagram as well at Divine Soul Guidance. DM me. Okay, all those who are wanting to donate to the channel, if you want to, you could do that. There's no compulsion. Okay, but please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and please if it has resonated, do like the video. That goes long way. Okay, so thank you so much for coming in, and see you soon.